I got this nice little brass padlock. Now sadly I've not got a key for it, but what I want to do, I'm going to have a go at opening it. It's R F Keates will and all. It's 2 lever. I'm going to have a go at it with, I'm going to use this pick wire for my bolt tensioner, and I'm going to just use a long hook to manipulate the levers. So all being well, we'll get it open. Right. Let's get on this. Right, I think I'm on it now. Stops off. I don't think the pick wires actually, I think it's a little bit too short actually. Yeah, it's slipping off. So let me try and get it further up that key wire. I'll keep some upward pressure on it as well. There's not a lot of room in here. That's all. Not a lot of room at all. I think that's it. Unless it slips again. No, there you go. Right, well, I am surprised. Now, to get that out, I've got to lock it up again. So, same principle in reverse order, in theory. There you go. Nice little brass padlock. Thanks for watching.